How to know your new followers number on your page on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to know your new followers number easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Facebook app, click on it. In here all you need to do is click on those three lines up there and click on your page. Now click on overview at the top the of your profile, and here you're gonna scroll down and click on insights, click on see all. Scroll down and you're gonna find page activity, which is your new page likes, and here you're gonna find the second option, which is new followers. You're gonna find beside instead of that zero, you're gonna find your new followers numbers on your page. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.